See, telling you this because somewhere in vector 3D you will see that they have written, let's say, there's a vector A which belongs to R cube. Why they have used cube? Can you tell me? So that means this is what option? Wait. Here also x square plus x minus 1. X square minus x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. That means x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Yeah. So it's a silly mistake, so it's okay. Actually, it's x square plus x minus 1. Okay. Now this one, okay.
Black again.
Black again, okay. Let me reshare. Oh, can you see it now?
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay. So the next one you did correct. How did you do this? 25th.
Let s equal to lambda nu, then s is a subset of.
Okay, just a question. What does this notation mean? This R cross R?
R on R, all values of R with all values of R.
Yeah, so that means ordered pair is lying in the real domain. You can say real dimension. Basically, it's a 2-dimension thing. Okay. See, telling you this because somewhere in vector 3D you will see that they have written, let's say, there's a vector A which belongs to R cube. Why they have used cube? Can you tell me? Because vector is formed using a triplet, right? 3 components. X, Y, Z. That's why. And an ordered pair is formed using how many numbers?
Pardon?
I'm saying an ordered pair is formed using how many numbers?
2.
That's why R square, or you can say R cross R. But for a vector, it has 3 components, X, Y, and Z, right? So that's why R cube, or you can say R cross R cross R. Okay, basic thing, but okay, moving. Yeah, tell me.
No, I said nothing.
So how do you solve this?
Oh, okay. So basically, we had to find nu and lambda such that ft equal to lambda mod e to the power t minus nu sine 2t. So basically, what I know that et and then sine 2t are differentiable everywhere except possibly where t equal to 0, right? Because mod, and so I checked differentiability at t. So ft, then the left hand LHL RHL is what LHD RHD is what I did. So for t greater than 0, f dash t is lambda et sine 2t plus 2 lambda et minus nu cos 2t, and put 0 plus in that. So I got 0 plus 2. So basically I got like, and that's, then I did RHD and I did the same thing, and then I put 0 minus here, and then setting f dash 0 plus and f dash 0 minus. So 2 lambda minus nu equal to minus 2 lambda minus nu. So 4 lambda minus nu equal to 0. So mod lambda equal to nu. So since nu equal to mod lambda, it follows nu greater than equal to 0. So I don't know if this, yeah, this is pretty similar to the method that I did. Yeah.
Okay.
It's correct, right?
Yes. Then the next question you did a mistake, right? I think again a sign mistake, you can say.
Yeah. Oh wait, I think I got the correct answer. I clicked the wrong one. No, I got the wrong one only.
Okay, let's do this. Okay. So can you see my screen, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, function fx is defined by this whatever continuous for some. Okay. First thing continuous. So let's do that. So for f of 1, how much is it? Is it c? Then for f of 1 plus, how much is it? It's c again. Then f of 1 minus, how much is it? I think it is a e plus b e minus 1, correct? Okay. Then for f of 3, it is how much? 9c. Then f of 3 minus it is how much? Again 9c. Then f of 3 plus is how much? So it is 9a plus 6c, correct?
Yeah.
Perfect. So that means first equation we get is that c is ae plus be minus 1, and second equation that we get is that 9c is 6a plus 6c. So that means 3c is 6a. I can say c is twice of a. Okay. Now they're asking this particular thing. Okay. So let's first differentiate it. So if you differentiated f dash, what would you have? You would have a e x minus b minus x. This is for x 1 2 minus 1. Then for x 1 2 3. Then for x 3 2 4. For x 1 2 3, what would you have? You would have 2cx. And then for this 3 to 4, you would have 2ax plus 2c. They're asking f dash 0 and f dash 2. Okay. What is f dash 0? So 0 is lying in this interval, right? So you would put 0 here. So you're having what? You're having a minus b. Is that correct or wrong?
Pardon?
F dash 0 is how much? Can you tell me?
F dash 0. Okay, I'm a bit confused. Okay. We could just. It's a minus b only, right?
Okay. How much is f dash 2?
It's 2cx, so 4c.
Yeah. So this plus 4c is how much? E. Okay. And we know c is 2a. So that means this would be how much? 8a. So 9a. 9a minus b is E. So this is first equation. And the second equation is this. So that's c is 2a. So that we can do one thing. Right? This the 2a is ae. 2 is ae plus be minus 1. Plus be minus. Okay, you have to solve this particular thing. So I mean, just quadratic you will get, obviously. See, this is how much? 9a is, let's do one thing. Let me write this is, okay, also they're asking for the value of a. So you'll have to substitute b, right? So b is how much? It is this, put it here. The 2a minus ae is b. 9a minus e upon e. So let me bring a. So a is how much? 2 minus e. And that is, I can bring it minus 9a by e, and that is what? Minus 1, correct? So that means a 2 minus e minus 9 by e is minus 1. So that means a is how much? It is 1 by 9 by e minus 2 plus e, correct? So how much is it? E square minus 2e, and e over here plus 9. Probably a mistake. What's the mistake? Find the mistake. So what did you do? What did you do?
I don't know. I took like. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's something like very different.
So what? Can you tell me?
Wait. Can you show the final steps again? Like a little down. A equal to E by. I was getting something else with A.
What are you getting? How did you get that? Tell me. Make me write it.
No, wait. This is very wrong. Okay. I actually can't understand what I've done. No, it's wrong only. I did like very, very wrong.
You have done it. Why would you not understand? You can tell me from here
No, like
where.
no, I made like an error while noting like while when you took A minus B and all, no, I made like an error there only. So then a lot of errors. It's like I know what I did, but like I also know it's like very wrong. Like where you in the beginning only I made like a mistake. So
What is the mistake here? Okay, let's do it once again.
See what, like, I got so like at a equal to x, for 1 minus x equal to 1 and x equal to 3, these are like the points, right? So x tends to 1 minus fx. So a plus b by e equal to c. That was my first equation, and then I
Correct.
got c equal to 3a as my second equation.
C equals to 3a. Okay, wait. So basically you said ki 3
Practice maths regularly, but still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.